Hey, this is the Shack the Dentist Built, and today I'm going to show you how to build those signs up there. I've got some interior signs, and I'm going to show you how to do it for almost nothing. You know, I know you can go online, you can buy them for $20, $30, but I can show you how to do it for less than $1. Crazy, huh? So stick around, make sure you like my page and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on all my videos. So the first thing you need to do is design your sign, and you can make it any shape you want it. My particular sign that I have, I've got a couple of different shapes. I've got some that are this way. I've actually got some that I've turned this direction, and then I've got some that that you saw in the other room that I cut off on this side. So the first thing you do is you go to your computer and you design your sign and you print it out. Now the second step is to take your graphic and you want to laminate it. I just happen to have a laminator. It's an old one. It's an oldie but goodie, but it still works. But you can get them laminated, say at Staples or something like that, for a couple bucks, I think. But you put that inside your lamination pouch, and then we'll run it through the laminator, and that's step 2. That's going to look really nice and clear once it comes out. Alright, let's look at the finished product here. Oh, pretty nice. And there's our sign. Now we'll cut it out. So get a nice straight edge on this. I'm going to be using my old-fashioned cutter. Now we'll take a pair of scissors. We're going to cut around the corners. Got that first one done. Look at that. Looks pretty nice. Alright, so I got it cut out all the way around there. So the next thing you need is what's called non-corrugated cardboard. Notice that it's solid, and that's going to make a nice sign backing, as opposed to corrugated cardboard, which if you look through there, it has all the air pockets in there. That's going to be easy to bend, but this one will make good interior signs. I don't really suggest it for outside. So we're going to draw the pattern of the sign on there, and then we'll cut it out. I set my church sign up there. I'm going to keep this side, and I'm going to keep this side so I don't have to cut them. And we're just going to draw a line all the way around till we get finished. And then what I like to do is I just write B for bottom, and I'm ready to cut that out. That will be the backing for my sign. So I cut the straight ends with the cutter, and now what I'm going to do, you can probably just use a regular knife. I like just using a scissor, and I'm going to cut the corners out with scissors. It's a little heavy, it's a little bit hard to do, but it can be done. So you can see I'm just using the scissors to cut it off. There's my cutout. There's the sign that goes on my cutout, and that's going to give it that nice, stiff, strong feel when I put it up there. It's going to look just like a genuine sign. So I put a couple of pieces of paper on this cardboard, and the reason I did that is once you do the spray glue and you get the overspray, you're going to want to throw these away. And I'm using my 3M Super 77 spray glue. Shake it up a little bit here. Spray it on there, just like that. You really don't want to touch that spray glue if you can help it. Now we'll take a couple other pieces of paper. We're just going to take and dump this onto here so that we can move it off of the spray glue, get rid of the oversprayed stuff, flip them over, get rid of them. We're going to get ready to set that right on top of there. Once you get it set where you want, it's not a bad idea to get a nice clean piece of paper that doesn't have any spray glue on it. Put it on top of that and press it down. Wipe it like this. There you go, just like that. And just like that, we got ourselves a church sign. Let's go put it up. What I'm using is these command strips. And if you've ever seen them, they're just these little strips. They hold really nice. So what you want to do is you want to kind of perforate them a little bit. And then you want to flip them over on each other and press them down. And you peel the tape off. So put it on there, press it down, and that's... So I have all 3 command strips on there. One at the top, I usually put 4. There's a smaller sign, I'm just going to make 3. So we're going to put it right up there. We'll take our command strips off and press it in place and center it on the center window pane. All right, just press where your command strips are, and look at that. There we go. There's the church office sign, and that is how you make some very inexpensive signs. They look really nice. They're going to last a long time. Going to be easy to replace. Anytime if I make a mistake or if I want to replace them, just spray glue right on top of that, put a new piece of laminate right on top of that, and we have a new sign. So that's how you make signs. This is the Shack Business Bill. Thanks for watching.